The Sun is a star. It's a star that we often describe as average, run-of-the-mill, just ordinary. Yet this ordinary star is responsible for helping to sustain all life on Earth. No other star that we know of has that level of responsibility, and that's pretty extraordinary, if you ask me. The Sun is a living, breathing star. It is active, dynamic, and ever-changing, just like us. Its influence can be felt in every aspect of society, from agriculture and economics to arts and culture, as well as the physical, mental, and emotional health of human beings. The Sun touches everything. And to highlight the importance of our extraordinarily ordinary star, NASA is hosting the Heliophysics Big Year. Beginning with the annular solar eclipse in October of 2023, continuing with a total solar eclipse in April of 2024, and ending with Parker's Solar Probe's closest approach to the Sun in December of 2024. The Heliophysics Big Year is a global celebration of solar science and the Sun's influence on everything. Over the course of the year, we are challenging everyone, including the public, the science community, and you, to participate in as many Sun-related activities as possible. Heliophysics is the study of the Sun and its influence on, well, everything. NASA has a fleet of strategically placed spacecraft that work alongside other missions from NASA and space agencies around the globe to monitor the Sun 24/7. Together, we are working to increase our understanding of solar phenomena such as solar flares, the solar wind, and space weather. We have missions studying everything from Earth's uppermost atmosphere, where the International Space Station lives, to our 45-year-old Voyager mission that is investigating the outer boundaries of our solar system. We've even had one mission that has actually entered the Sun's atmosphere. Parker's Solar Probe touched the Sun. Studying these complex systems helps us better understand our universe, including our solar system, distant stars, exoplanets, and our search for life on other planets. Understanding the Sun's activity is critical to all of NASA's endeavors, especially our human exploration efforts. It underpins our Artemis missions, enables us to protect technology on Earth and in space, helps safeguard our astronauts, and allows us to voyage to Mars and beyond. The Heliophysics Big Year is a unifying effort designed to encourage exploration, creativity, and wonder. We invite you to engage in the world around you with intention and curiosity. We invite you to experience the annular and total solar eclipses with us. We invite you to do science and to experience our Sun in different ways. Throughout the year, there will be opportunities for communities across the globe to participate in Sun-related activities, such as experiencing solar eclipses and auroras, joining citizen science projects such as HARP and Spritacular, creating Sun-inspired art, music, fashion, and food, and a host of other fun heliophysics activities. So please join us for the Heliophysics Big Year and help us celebrate our extraordinarily ordinary star.